Does it sound like when nobody's afraid?
I've never known a room that didn't hold its breath. Every laugh feels borrowed, every calm feels like regret.
I study all the faces like they're speaking in code.
Everyone else gets a roadmap.
I got lost and told to go.
I don't know how to hold still without waiting for it to break.
I don't know how to trust quiet
when quiet always means awake.
If this is normal, why does it feel like falling? If this is peace, why am I still calling?
For something I can't name, but no, I've never had. What does normal sound like
when it isn't made of fear?
Does it stay without permission?
Does it speak and still feel near?
I keep reaching for the answer,
like it lives beneath my skin.
What does normal feel like?
Oh, when it doesn't let you in. Doesn't let you in.
I've seen the way they move,
like their bodies never brace.
no second guessing footsteps,
no panic on their face.
They just exist inside the moment,
like the world won't split in two.
I can't tell if they were born that way
or if I was born askew.
I make a home out of alarms, I sleep inside a storm. The worst part isn't hurting, it's not knowing what is warm.
If this is normal, why does it feel like drowning? If this is safe, why am I still counting
all the ways this can go wrong before the day is through? What does normal sound like
when it isn't made of fear?
Does it stay without permission?
Does it speak and still feel near?
I keep reaching for the answer,
like it lives beneath my skin.
What does normal feel like?
Ooh, when it doesn't let you in. Tell me where the calm is, tell me how to stay. Tell me why the sunlight still looks far away. I am not a warning, I am not the crack. I am just a heartbeat, learning not to snap. Maybe normal isn't perfect, maybe normal isn't clean. Maybe it's a little damaged and still allowed to mean.
A morning without dread, a door that stays a door, a body that doesn't flinch at every shifting floor.
Maybe normal is a hand that doesn't leave a mark. Maybe normal is a voice that doesn't need a spark. Maybe normal is a place where I can take up space without feeling like I own the room, my hiding place.
What does normal sound like when the silence doesn't bite? When the dark is just the dark
And not a threat inside.
I keep reaching for the answer,
like it lives beneath my skin.
What does normal feel like
when it finally lets me in?